Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode we are going to discuss upcoming updates for Apple's Siri are amazing. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notifications for more videos. Number 5. Improved context understanding. Context is an important part of any conversation, and understanding it is the key for voice assistants to progress towards becoming a typical conversation for the client. Siri understands the relevant context, but not to the same extent as its competitors. For example, if you were to ask, "Who is Kamala Harris?" followed by "How old is she?" Siri will understand and respond appropriately. However, if you ask, "How far is California?" followed by "What is the climate like there?" Siri is unable to keep up. Rather, it provides you with the weather for your current location, whereas Google Assistant provides the correct response with the weather in California. Number 4. Include suggestions for what to ask Siri next. In Google Assistant, this is a feature that we really like, and we believe that Siri would benefit greatly from having it as well. Already, many customers are unsure of how to interact with their voice assistant, and having some small bubble suggestions underneath will go a long way towards helping them understand how Siri can assist them. Number 3. The ability to accept multiple commands in a single dialogue. The ultimate goal for any voice assistant is to get to the point where conversing with it is as close to a typical conversation as possible, allowing users to say orders without a specific organized configuration. The ability to place multiple orders is a step in the right direction. At the moment, if you need to check the weather and the status of your flight, you must go through 2 distinct exchange streams, which is inconvenient to say the least. The ability to do both in one exchange articulation highlights the comfort that voice can provide. Number 2. Include cross-ecosystem Spotlight search suggestions. For example, Spotlight Search, which makes use of on-device machine learning to recommend which apps and activities you should use, is one of the most useful Siri features. It is actually quite good, and it frequently displays an application you need to use or a useful activity with pinpoint accuracy. Without a doubt, there is always room for improvement, and the next step is to allow biological system Spotlight ideas to be implemented. Apple's biological system includes a number of extremely useful features, one of which is the ability to make phone calls from any device as long as the device in question is an iPhone. Providing you with the idea to call people on your iPad rather than just your phone is a simple illustration of how cross-device ideas can be beneficial. A genuine execution will almost certainly result in the transfer of idea data to the client's iCloud account. Even if it is in the cloud, it should maintain client confidentiality because Apple does not have access to your iCloud information. The best advice would be to integrate these cloud-based ideas with the current on-device machine learning calculations. However, this should be possible with some refactoring. Airdropping ongoing photographs to a different device, impressing a companion while using an iPad, or opening a recent web page from a device other than your current one are all examples of environmentally friendly ideas. Several features could be added by Apple in order to fully and completely explore it. Number 1. Provide more relevant answers. Most users prefer Google Assistant to Siri for a variety of reasons, but this is most likely the most compelling one. For the most part, when you ask Google for basic general information, Google always responds correctly, whereas Siri does not always respond correctly. In the case of an iPhone 13, for example, if you ask Google how much it is worth, Google will respond with the price, whereas Siri will only respond with a general description of the item. On the basis of the fact that Google search is inextricably linked with the Google Assistant, it is presumed that this is the case. It will be necessary for Apple and Siri to find a way to answer common questions such as this if they are to compete in this market. Collaborations with alternative search providers or organizations such as Wikipedia, for example, may prove to be extremely advantageous. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.